Right before we start here, my before and after pics, just so y'all know where I started from. So you want to know how long it takes to get a six-pack? Let's dive right on in. I know you want it. Six-pack that can grind meat, that Aaron Yeager 10-pack, that six-pack that even Z's would be proud of it himself. Well, first you got to take a look at your body fat percentage calculator, right? So I'll have it on the screen, right? So that's where you can see your body fat percentage, right? On this page, if you are anywhere above 25%, you are technically overweight, which means you should be focused on losing weight in general more than just be focused on the six-pack. And if you are anywhere between the 15 and under range, actually, you should be able to see your six-pack in any type of lighting. But if you're around the 17 to 18 range and you've been working out that your muscles, you know, that getting that core tight and shit, you should be able to see your six-pack, but only really in good lighting, man. Alright? But if you want a six-pack, you're gonna need to cut, bro. So what's cutting and how do I need to cut? Well, thanks for asking there, buckaroo. So a cut is basically losing weight and taking appropriate dietary restrictions to get the results that you want to get. So the information I got was from Virtual Physique, Jeremy Ether, and Dr. Mike Diamonds. So this is how you basically calculate how long it will take. Alright guys, so I had to record this part on my phone because shit kept on fucking up, right? So on this website it's called Muscle Hack, right? Sorry guys, I had to record this part on my phone. Shit kept on fucking up. So I'm on this website, Muscle Hack, right? So it gives the same calculations that other YouTubers gave on how long it takes to get a six-pack. So right now I'm 176, but my body fat percentage is actually at 15 pounds. Well, like 12 to 15, so I can say like 13 pounds, right? That's how long it says I need to get a six-pack, right? Because for this site it does anything 10% and below, but again you don't need to go 10% below to see a six-pack. As you can see, here's my picture right up here. You can see my fucking six-pack, so shit fucking works, right? So it goes by like you want to lose a pound and a half over a week, okay? A pound and a half to 2 pounds for that case scenario, right? So it's not really that bad. Of course it doesn't calculate your height and how much you really work out and all this other stuff, but it keeps it simple for you so you can just get started and keep on going on your goals. And I think all y'all really need to do this. So just go on musclehack.com, look up how long it takes to get that six-pack workout in. How long it takes to get six-pack abs. This answer you put it right there. Also, you need to remember you gotta work out, you gotta train your abs, and you gotta eat right, alright? That's all I gotta say. There's the other parts. Hold on. For some people it will take a minimum of 2 months. For a lot of other people it will take as max 6 months, bro. Alright? The summer, we got fucking 5 months till the summer, my guy. So you're still gonna be ready and start in time for, you know, high girl summer, hot boy summer. Matter of fact, for all my boys out there, actually. No homo. Also, to track your calories to cut, you're going to need your TDEE calculator. I'll have it on the screen right now. You can plug in your information right there, and I'll have the link for it in the description so you can get the results that you also want. So again, it will show you your macros you need. You mostly need protein and how many calories you need to cut. So you're probably going to need to cut like 250 to 500 calories per day to get on this cut. You want to be losing 1 pound to 2 pounds a week to finally hit those goals, right? It ain't even that hard, Mike. And also, do not forget, when you're eating protein and shit, right, you want to at least get 1 gram per body weight. So I'm 176, right? So I eat 176 grams of protein daily. I tried to hit that because, again, protein is fucking expensive in the States. I mostly get it through eggs, which are 7 grams of protein, peanut butter, which are 3.6 grams of protein per teaspoon, depending on which type of peanut butter you actually use. Right? And also remember to train your muscles, and even including your abs. I have a link to do that in the description down below if you want to check it out, if you want to have your own workout program already. If you do all these things, you actually will hit your goals and you will finally get that Aaron Yeager 10-pack, bro. Alright? Anybody can do it. It's not even that hard. If you see my before and after pics, you'll know it should not be that hard to do this, bro. Make 2022 your year. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.
And subscribe, like deadass, bro, right now. Subscribe. It's free.